Hey guys, what's up? So today we show adopt and best trees for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tree is called Fly JBET. You can hide doing jailbreak or iDevice. It's basically a bypass jailbreak detection tweak. Next tree is called 420 Tools. Tools for Randy 420's tweets. This tree is called Theos Auto Installer. And install Theos and set up everything you need with one simple command. This tree is called Theos Dependencies. And Theos Needs for everything Facilio. Adds cool source repository before installing this package. Right here, add SBing repository, and this command package installs JIT, grep, dpkg, core utils, rsync, ca, certs, perl, and iOS toolchain in one go. This is called Pro Gesture. Modern gestures, iPad features, and many unique features, but lightweight. So you have app switcher, battery, control center features, dock, gestures, hardware button, home bar, keyboard, lock screen, status bar, miscellaneous, app style, camera UI, launch screen corners, landscape rotation lock, no icon fly, no icon label, no launch app animation, no page dots, per app settings. These are these features right here. This tree is a little outdated. It's called Slide, S-L-Y-D, Slide to Unlock, and it brings that Slide to Unlock for iOS 11 and 12 devices. So you know that old iOS like 6, 7, or 8, whatever, Slide to Unlock? That brings that back for those iOS 11, 12 devices. This is called Error Message Beta and messages in your browser. It's a powerful iOS tweak allowing you to browse and send messages, both SMS and iMessage, or any browser to your local network. This is called Fake Location, allows you to change your location, GPS location on your iOS device for your apps. This is called Lisa and Full Incoming OLED Notifications. This is called Spear. Multitasking is best, allows you to run your recent apps on top of others by creating little bubbles after an app launch, on which you can tap to reveal the corresponding app and form an overlay that will take up 80% of your screen, helping you with your day-to-day productivity. Next is called Meredith, and 74 cents for this tweak, for only 8 weeks, to tint color on system-wide and for your favorite apps, so it gives you that tint color effect. Next is called Open Notifier, full customizable status bar, iOS 5, collaborative project. This is called More Bar ETS 13, more status bar icons. This is called SS Gestures, iOS 12 fits SS Gestures, crash on iOS 12. This is called SS Gestures, adds 2 gestures to screenshot stack on iOS 11. Swipe right to delete all screenshots in the stack, and swipe up to edit the screenshots. This is called Translate-O-Matic, quickly translate any text. And the last week's called Repo Create 7, a guide to prepare Linux to create a deb repo, and also explains how to create a release and deb packages. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.